So we've got the Logitech. So after doing the review of the 603 Logitech Lightspeed wireless gaming mouse, we've got the Logitech 613 keyboard, which is complemented together. And yes, this is going to be the review about this keyboard now. So this has got the wireless Lightspeed technology, which is, if you're a professional into the industry of gaming and stuff like that, and you want to make sure that you're very precise with your actions of what you're doing when you're gaming, then and being very accurate, then this has got you covered. So this is a wireless mechanical keyboard with Roma G switches. It's got 6 programmable from G to G6 programmable buttons, so you can assign any sort of task that you want it to do with each button, just as you would with any other macro keys. Now at the top you've got media buttons here, so you've got play and pause, stop, forward and backwards, or skip track and skip track forward, that's what I meant. Volume rocker, plus and minus, and then a mute button. You've got a Bluetooth button and a Wi-Fi button and a gaming button, and you've got indicators which says caps lock, and then obviously it comes up with an indicator to show that it's obviously indicating that you've got the caps lock on, like you normally do with other keyboards. And then you've got a battery indicator as well. Talking about the battery indicator, this keyboard's meant to last up to 18 months with 2 AA batteries, and an indicator will let you know when it's due time to actually replace the batteries inside the actual keyboard. And on the back of this quite premium heavy keyboard, it has a back where you can take the batteries out, which is, yep, double A's in the back there. And then you've got a transmitter on the back here as well, so you can connect this into a computer and stuff like that. And oh yeah, we'll take it out because obviously got to use the keyboard. And then I'll put this back on there. Now this keyboard is Bluetooth as well as Wi-Fi, connecting as Wi-Fi to your actual device, like a phone or a tablet, and you can have all your programmable functions there. It does have these lift-off feet as well, which are like a magnetic click. They're really nice, not flimsy and rubbish. It's got nice rubber feet at the bottom, which is 3 separate rubber bits. Look like they last quite a long time. And then it's got this nice little design on the back. And it's got a nice little hand rest on there, which is plastic, not rubber or anything like that. So if you're used to typing loads and everything like that, you can do that. Now the actuation of the buttons is what we're going to test out, and this is what the whole point is of this review. And the lift-off points, or the travel points, is like a minimum of 3 mil. So we're going to test that as well. And yeah, it looks like it's definitely a full keyboard layout and everything like that. And it's got your normal Windows key there and your Windows key here. But let's test it out and let's see how good it is. So I'm going to plug in this receiver into the front of my computer. Let's see if it connects. So let's turn it on the side. So it's got a switch on the side where it's got the actual number, and it's a G613. So I've turned it on, and then we've got the green light on saying battery. We're going to lift the feet up. Right, now I'm in full control. So I've got this, and then I've got this. Now let's change my DPI. So I'm going up and down. What do I want to do? I want to game with it, don't I, really? So I'm just going to use a text piece, which is here. Alright, so I'm going to start typing on here, like really lightly. So the actuation feels pretty precise, to be honest with you. Do I need to really press down on that? That feels nice, it really does feel nice. It feels like that it's got like a little bit of drag on the side, but it feels premium. It doesn't feel like it's cheap. It shouldn't anyway, for the price that it is. Is this working? There we go. Yeah, it feels really nice. I like it. Now, let's try it for gaming. That's the whole point about it. I don't remember. Oh, there we go. Definitely recommend this keyboard and mouse. It actually does feel like it molds to you. From my point of view, I don't think it does not really look much like a gaming keyboard. But I'm thinking the people that don't want RGBs in their face and gaming this, gaming that, they want a professional looking gaming keyboard, this is it. This is it for you. Especially this mouse as well. I'm going to show you a little thing what this mouse does. Actually, I'm going to show you right now. So basically, we're gonna do cross networks here. And there's no point me doing another video because I've already done a video of the mouse with the third-party keyboard. Then I've done the mouse with the keyboard, or the keyboard with the mouse. So I'm going to show you a little feature what this little wireless mouse does and its technology. So it's got Bluetooth and Wi-Fi in. So it's the keyboard and mouse. I've got my Note 4 here, and obviously it comes with a nice stand with the keyboard. Just going to go into here, go into Bluetooth. It's really, really nice. Turn that around so you can't see that. And turn back there, get the Bluetooth up, and then make my device discoverable. So I'm going to, at the moment it's flickering, that means it's for Bluetooth, and it should come out at the bottom, Logitech, if everything goes right. So scan. There you go, so it comes up the G603. Then I click onto that, and it's pairing it. And now I've got a mouse on my screen. DPI, you can have your DPI changes as well. So that's really fast and then really slow. So you can do quite a few things with this phone. Now I'm going to change this back to normal, which will be onto the receiver. And now I've got it back onto game mode on the actual screen. Can you see it moving? And then back to Bluetooth. Wherever that is, where's my Bluetooth? There, back, and I'm connected back. So I can literally connect vice versa. Now that's awesome, how the speed from my phone straight onto like game mode or whatever you can, work mode. Then click back, and then I'll go back onto Bluetooth mode. That is really quick. Now I should be able to pick up Bluetooth on this phone, on the keyboard as well. So I'm going to scan for another device because you should be able to scan multiple devices at the same time. And there we go, G613 already. Enter 775336, and then press enter. And there we have it. We've got the keyboard on now. That is so crazy. So let's see. As you can see, I can move the keyboard about, and I've got the mouse as well at the same time. But you know what? I just want a game, right? So I'm going to just press this button down here, change it back. So I'm ready for gaming, and I'm going to press this Wi-Fi button, and I'm already ready on the keyboard, as you can see. Straight away, I'm ready to go. Absolutely sick. If you like this content, if all this review is helpful and you want to buy this stuff, link in the description down below, subscribe, share and all that sort of stuff. I'm nearly at 10,000 subscribers, but when this video goes up, probably could have gone past that, and I'm not going to say anything else about that. But anyway, follow me on all social media platforms if you choose to, and comment down below, and I'll comment back. And I'll see you next one. Thanks for watching.